folks, this is Mixer Wars and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is the latest from the HG Gundam build metaverse. We have the Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus. Yes, this was actually released earlier, combined with a CD, but this is another release where, rather this is a normal release where it's not a metallic coating one. So as you can see here, this in the box art, this is Amazing Barbatos Lupus, piloted by Meijin Kawaguchi III. And yeah, it seems like in the last episode of the build metaverse, wherein he joins the fight because of all the excitement. So off to the side, we see here Barbatos, Amazing Barbatos Lupus, how it combines with a booster and the gimmicks that you can do with it alongside with the booster. And off to the other side, front and back of Amazing Barbatos Lupus, and of course the build metaverse show. Now once we open the box, let's see what's inside. We have 1, 2, 3 sprues and a sticker sheet. Another bag with 1, 2, 3 more sprues. Another bag with a sprueless stand. I think these are new parts for Amazing Barbatos Lupus. And yeah, and I can see some parts of just Barbatos Lupus. Yep. And of course we have here the manual, wherein it's the same with Rising Freedom and Mighty Strike Freedom and Infinite Justice Type 2 Spec 2, wherein it's a booklet type. Yeah. So I'm guessing they do this for some favorite kits. I don't know. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is very familiar for anyone who already built the Barbatos 6th form and Barbatos Lupus, and of course Barbatos Lupus Rex. It's almost the same parts here. So yes, this is a reprint of that same part or the same sprue with the same color. And we have a blue sprue here, which is also the same. This is actually for Barbatos Lupus, and the only color change I guess here is this one, because this I know is red, same with this as well as this one. It's being recolored to blue, same color with Amazing Barbatos Lupus. And we have a C sprue again, yep, from Barbatos Lupus. Originally this was all white, but now it's red, and in the earlier release this was metallic red. And then we have a D sprue here. I think this is a new one. Let's see on the date. Yeah, this is 2023. I guess this is a new one for Amazing Barbatos Lupus. Same with D2 with a new weapon here for Barbatos Lupus. Amazing Barbatos Lupus, sorry. E1 here is also new. This is for the booster, the backpack, that looks like a mobile armor. So F2 is also a new sprue. Sorry, that was E2. And yeah, we have an F1, which is also new sprues, and an F2, which is also new. We have a sprueless stand here, and since this was done before some time long ago with Iron-Blooded Orphans, they still have some polycaps here. And we do have a small sticker sheet. There we go. And of course a wire to replicate one of the attacks of Amazing Barbatos Lupus, wherein his backpack and mobile armor type 1 unleashes his tail. Same with Barbatos Lupus Rex. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Amazing Barbatos Lupus. So yes, Meijin Kawaguchi III always does something to another kit and adds amazing to it. So it started with Amazing Zaku, and then Amazing Exia, which became Dark Matter Exia, and I think this is the latest one, I guess. Amazing Barbatos Lupus, where when he added amazing, the color changes, except for amazing extra actually. So until next time, this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, hitting that subscribe bell. And until next time, see you and thank you.